Hello, my fellow subscribers, viewers, and audience. As always, God bless you all. Thank you very much for viewing my content, subscribing my content. It's great to come back. And today we'll talk about the next chapter, episode, or series in the series that I'm working on. This is Noor Ali, Right Tools for Right Job. This domain is very important. Network media and topologies. Okay, it covers vast variety of OEM certification, from Microsoft to Juniper to Cisco to CompTIA. But the foundation is CompTIA. Okay, A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, CAPS, other new versions of CompTIA. You gotta know this stuff. You have to understand this stuff. And if you have worked with this stuff, cables, data centers, rack, stack, been there and done that. So here is the domain, network media and topologies. So you got to know your Cat 6, Cat 7, Cat 5, Cat 6A. You have to know your categories of standard connector types on network media. You have to understand, compare and contrast different wireless standards. And you got to know how the technology is used. Just like in this domain, it says WAN technology types and properties. You have to know this for the exam. If you're taking the exam, studying for the exam. And you have to know all these terms. BIR, ISDN, cable modem, DSL. All this information, all these words, you got to know it. You got to understand it. And as time goes by, you'll get to know this stuff when you use it day to day, every day in your life, in your career, right? As a professional. In this domain, it says describe different network topologies. Here you have it right there, advantages and disadvantages. You got to know those stuff. Remember earlier I was mentioning about network map. This is an example of a network map or a network diagram. This is a ring network, advantages and disadvantages. Here you have a ring network, then you got the bus network. So key thing is, even if you're taking A+, you have to know this. You're taking Network Plus, you got to know this. You're taking Server Plus, you got to know this. You're taking CAPS, you got to know this. So this is a foundation. If you're a computer technician, you got to know this stuff. If you're a computer engineer, analyst, you got to know this stuff. This packet that I have is very useful. It can be used over and over again. You can review it. You can understand it. You can prep for interviews. That's why I have it. That's why I'm sharing with you. Okay? The more you learn, the more you grow. The more you grow, the more you earn. Share, learn, grow, and teach. Teach, have skills for life. So as you can see over here, 3.6. This is a domain. It's a section within CompTIA. Every CompTIA exam has it. So you need to understand it and know it, where each question is coming from, in order to pass your certification. Here's the last section called 3.8, identify components of wiring distribution. Right here is the answer you may be looking for. I keep mentioning IDF room, MDF room, DMARC room. Well, those are real places. This is what it's all about. After that, we will talk about network management. Network management is when you manage the network as a Cisco engineer, as a firewall engineer, as a network analyst, network admin, installer, technician. Many title, same job, day after day. Keep that in mind, okay? Once again, thank you very much for viewing my content and following me. God bless you all. Share, learn, teach, and grow. If you like it, you subscribe, please. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye. Till next time.